Karnataka's first and super app, Vishwas World Tech Private Limited. Please put your hands together. May we request Mr. Vishwas N, CEO and founder, to receive the award, please. Vishwas N is the man behind Vishwas app, the first payment super app of South India. His successful venture, Vishwas Smart, has made good penetration in the Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Vishwas app has been successfully tested under the guidelines of RBI with the UPI payment options available in all Indian languages. It's been designed to benefit each subscriber who downloads the app. In the month of June, 2 crore worth of groceries shall be given free to all customers who shall download the app. Yeah, that's the best thing that can ever happen. The interface is very simple and helps both the subscribers and vendors alike to use the app. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Vishwas app, Vishwas World Tech Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vishwas N.
ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಟಿ ವಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಈ ಥರದ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.